won't talk. Right, well this is us trimming up all these.
Now we like to use everything, and I know a lot of people are going to laugh and think, well, it's a lot of waste, but actually, when
this
you're
is
doing
what we do.
barbecues and you need some whatever, you know, we can put it into, we can make mulch out of it. We've got a big mulcher over there that we can just mulch up everything, but this is ash and it burns quite well, so we like to use it as kindling as well. So it'll just start fire nicely, burns very hot, and we just we got time on our hands, so we just instead of just well, we don't really have that much.
And the other thing that we're doing is pulling up all these stinging nettles by hand. This is an area we have just done.
Got to take the roots out, otherwise they grow back again.
Yeah. We planted some of the apple trees that the farmer very kindly gave to us for apple wood, but we've put them in there. If they grow it'd be fabulous, but if not, they're fabulous itching posts for the animals, because they all like to have a good old scratch. So that's sort of helping us do that as well. They have an audience. Huh? Okay, now we've filled this whole bag with our little bits of twigs. We're now going to try and see if we can lift it.
Well, I mean, the bag's not going to split. It's rated for 2 tons.
No, the bag won't. It's just whether we can actually physically lift it.
Oh, of course we can lift it.
We're strong boys, aren't we?
Now, obviously, Kirkland has got an idea.
James's idea.
Well,
Unfortunately, we don't have any staff.
1, 2, 3. Whoa, gosh, look at these boys. But you're not going to get it up on the trailer.
Yeah. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll get a couple of scaffold poles.
Because if we scaffold pole it, we can put wood down and put it onto the wood.
And then lift bits on.
And then
a couple of bits of wood over there. I'll go get them. You go and get a couple of scaffold poles.
we have a plan.
We have a plan.
We'll be back. Don't go anywhere.
Right, we've got the scaffold poles. We've got the boards up. Now it's whether or not we can lift this all up. These scaffold poles add another sort of like 10 kilos, I think, don't they?
Yeah. Shoulder, shoulder, and at the knees.
3, 2, 1, lift. Okay, to me. You go up sideways in here. Oops, are you okay? I'm okay, just keep going. Hold it, put it down for a second. It slips off my shoulder. Ready? Got it? 3, 2, lift. You there? Okay, and up. And up again. We need some height, don't we?
Yes.
Okay, and down. I'll tell you what though, we're here. What we might be able to do is pull it up. Do you reckon?
Possibly.
Right, you grab that one. 1, 2, 3. Lift them forward. 1, 2.
Do you need my help?
Oh, we do actually.
We have a plan.
We have a plan. Down the top there. And then hook that. I chain my heart. Said me.
Feel a song coming on.
I feel the sun coming on. Right, that's through there. That's fine. Right, so we got the full length of it. Hook that round your end. Hook that round this end. Just loop it like that. That's it. Perfect. Half-way. As they say in some parts of the world. Half-way. Add some pressure to that. Okay. Let's take the straight. Nice and slowly, nice and steady. Yeah? Okay, it's going. Alright, okay.
Get the other side of the bar and push it through.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to do it, I think.
Although I don't know if you're going to get
Go.
We have a plan.
We have a plan. Okay, let's try that.
Where's the other scaffold pole?
It's down the bottom there. Right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
That's it, it's caught on that lip.
2 seconds. I'm going to try and put the scaffolding pole underneath the lip and see if I can get.
So swim, James.
Did that help?
Yeah, and again.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Okay, wait. 1, 2. That's it.
Can we go a bit more? We're going to pull him by chain.
No, we'll just...
Pull it by the chain.
No, just me. Okay. Goodbye. It slides all right.
Well, it's on there now.
Why not?
Well,
Well done, everyone.
it wasn't that hard actually.